These channels get millions of views and they're not filming anything. If you've ever built a faceless channel manually, script, voiceover, edit for hours, you know the burnout. Today, the exact 5-step system to go from idea to finished video in minutes. Enough for 10 videos a day, 1,000 plus a month. Stick around. Step 3 is the one nobody talks about. Don't guess what people want to watch. Copy what's already working. Open YouTube and search your niche. Sort by most viewed this week. Check what's trending on TikTok and Instagram Reels in the same niche. Look at smaller channels that suddenly got a breakout video. That's a signal the topic is hot, not just the channel. You're not stealing content, you're validating demand. If a topic already pulled in views somewhere else, it has a much higher chance of working again in your own style. This is where most people waste hours. Skip that. Give Claude the topic, your niche, and 1 or 2 examples of videos that performed well. Ask for a strong hook in the first 5 seconds, short punchy sentences, and a clear structure, problem, story, payoff. Ask it to write in a spoken, conversational tone, not an essay. In under a minute, you'll have a full voiceover script ready to go. No writer's block, no blank page. This is the step that actually makes automation possible, and you don't have to build it by hand. Take the script you just got from Claude and feed it back in with this prompt. Pause the video and copy this. Convert the following voiceover script into a JSON file for video production. Break it into scenes. For each scene, include a scene id as a number, the voiceover as the exact spoken line for that scene, a visual as a short keyword or description of what should appear on screen, and a duration as the estimated seconds based on the voiceover length. Return only valid JSON, no extra text or explanation. Then paste your script. Claude will hand back a clean JSON file, every scene mapped out with its voiceover, visual, and timing. That's your blueprint. It tells your video engine exactly what to say and what to show, scene by scene. This one file is what turns a script into a machine-readable production plan, no manual scene-by-scene typing. Now the automation does the heavy lifting. Import the JSON into your video generation app. The app converts each line into AI voiceover. It pulls matching footage or images for each scene automatically. It stitches everything together with transitions, timing, and audio sync.
You are wearing. Right now, there is a good chance you are wearing them. Blue jeans are the most popular piece of clothing ever made. Over half the world's population wears them every single day. But the story of how they were born will surprise you.
What used to take 3 hours of manual editing now takes a few minutes, and you can queue up the next video while this one renders. The app gets you 90% of the way there. CapCut handles the final 10% that makes it feel professional. Auto captions for accessibility and watch time. A trending background track at low volume. Quick color grade for consistency across videos. Final export settings for YouTube. This step takes minutes, not hours, because you're polishing, not building from scratch. Find a viral topic, write with Claude AI, build the JSON, generate the video, polish in CapCut. Do this consistently, and you're not capped at 1 video a week anymore. You can realistically push out multiple videos a day across multiple channels. If you want me to break down how I build the JSON file step by step in the next video, drop a comment and hit subscribe. That one's coming next.